Assalamu alaikum grade 5. I'm your English teacher from Allied School. Today I'm going to start your next lecture. So open your English Oxford book, Unit 9, Lesson 4. Sentences. How much do you know about the earliest simple forms? Use a phrase from the works to make sentences. For example, early farmers used small bones and strong grasses to sew animal skins. Early farmers used small bones and strong grasses to sew animal skins, sewed skins together to make shelter, sewed leaves together to make clothes, hit stones together to light fires, used coconut fiber to make ropes, used long animal arms to dig the ground, and used the shoulder bone of large animals to carry soil. Students, in exercise number 2, here are some sentences. You have to use these sentences in these blanks. How Hempel and Babel caught the buffalo and its calf. I have heard a lot about Hempel's family, although I haven't met them. Although they could hear them, they didn't catch any animals. The man wanted to catch the buffalo, although they had never caught one before. At first, they couldn't see the buffalo, although the men hunted for a week. Although the men were frightened, they didn't run away. The calf struggled, although it couldn't escape. Although the mother was upset, she quieted down. Later, the calf is going fast, although it is still quite small. I have used these sentences in these blanks. You also have to write the sentences here. Students, in exercise number 3, what about you? Complete two sentences about yourself. You have to write it by yourself. I watched TV yesterday because you have to write here your answer according to your own choice. I eat dash, although I don't like it much. I sometimes play hockey, although I prefer. What do you prefer? You have to write here. My sister is better at chess, but I am better at dash. In fifth one, I went to bed late last night, so dash. You have to write the answers according to your own choice. Grade 5, now open page number 51, Unit 9, Lesson 5, Writing. Read the text and answer the question. What are the questions? How did the family produce enough of the following: buffalo milk, calves, wheat, beans, fruit, hens, eggs, or meat? The beginning of plenty. Hempel, Massey, and Babel and the 3 children stayed in their cave and didn't move on. They did not kill the buffalo. They took it and its calf back to the cave and looked after them. In the beginning, they took a little of its milk every day. Later, they found another buffalo and produced another calf and more milk. They did not eat all the wheat. They kept some back and planted it when the next rains came. They kept the seeds from the ripe beans. Later, they planted those seeds too. They planted fruit seeds near the cave. After some years, they had as much fruit as they wanted. Meanwhile, another family had joined them in the forest. They collected more fat birds and called them hens. Sometimes on special days, they killed one and ate it. They did not know it, but they had made the very first farm. In the end, there were several families living by the stream in the forest. The writer has told to you about the early farming, how the people set their farmings. Grade 5, now open your English grammar book at page number 36, Unit 11, Suffixes. In the previous lesson about the prefixes, you have learned to add the letter before the word, but now in suffixes we will add the letter at the end of the word. This is the definition of suffixes. Suffixes are word endings. For example, sol, sold, and solving. Read the following sentences. Now on page number 37, word able, we will make here noun ability. Single, sing, singer, and singing. Happy, happiness, happily, happier. Write, writer, and writing. Students, now let us understand. Complete the table with the suffixes shown at the top. Word is help, helped, helping, and helper. Count, counted, counting, and counter. Jump, jumped, jumping, jumper. Sail, sailed, sailing, and sailor. Clean, cleaned, cleaning, and cleaner. Wrap, wrapped, wrapping, wrapper. Destroy, destroyed, destroying, and destroyer. Heat, heated, heating, and heater. Read some more examples in the table below. Solve is a verb, solution is the noun. Pain, noun. Painful is adjective. You have to read this table. Students, on page number 38, copy the following sentences in your notebook and complete them by adding ed or er or ing to the words given in the brackets. Robin Hood always robbed the rich. Joe was wandering in the jungle when he saw a tiger in front of him. My mother is very fond of cooking. This room is cooler than that one. Now copy the following sentences in your notebook. Sailors use compasses to find out their direction in the sea. Abandoned on the lonely island, Rocky felt scared and helpless. The poor dog became a victim of his master's cruelty. The view of the night sky from the top of the hills is wonderful. She looked beautiful in the pink dress. He is very careful about his health, so he eats just what is right for him. Grade 5, now on page number 39 of English grammar book, extended exercise. You have to rewrite this paragraph. The little mermaid always wanted to know what was happening in the world about the sea. Her mother told that she could swim to the top and see the wonderful things when she was 15 years old. After she turned 15, the little mermaid decided to swim up the surface to see the outside world. Once she was up there, she saw the high waves crashing against the rocks. She noticed a ship rolling and pitching in the waves. On one side of the ship, she saw a man's head bobbing up and down. He seemed to be drowned. He was crying for help. Quickly, the little mermaid swam towards him and helped him to the shore. There she rested him gently against a rock. After the storm subsided, he saw a girl. The little mermaid quietly slipped into the sea and disappeared.